Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you an advanced but effective way to reset a forgotten local account password in Windows 11. I'll also be going through a way you can gain access to an account that is tied to a Microsoft account that you've forgotten your password to and have no way of gaining access to that account. So if you have any important files saved that you need to access, then this might be a video for you to resolve that issue. Now, here I have a local administrator account that I've forgotten the password to. Now, if you have a bootable Windows 11 USB, then you can use that to boot your PC or laptop to go to Windows recovery. If you don't have any USB, you can still get to the recovery page by holding the Shift key on your keyboard while clicking on Restart. Now we're in Windows recovery. What you want to do is to click on Troubleshoot, then to Advanced Options, then to Command Prompt, and then a command prompt should appear. Now the command that I'm going to be using in this video will be in the description, so you can just copy and paste the commands into the command prompt. What this command does is we're basically replacing the sticky key file with the command prompt. So basically we can use the command prompt in the login screen. After you're finished, then you can reset the computer or just click on continue. Now we're in the login screen. Now what we want to do is to press on the Shift key 5 times. And then we will use another command that will also be in the description below. We were basically changing the password for the local administrator account. So basically the command for me, or in my case, is going to be net user and then the local administrator account name, and then password is password for me. Password can be anything, but just to keep it simple, I'm just using password as a password, if that makes sense. After that, you should be able to log in with the new password. And yeah, there we go. We gain access to the local administrator account. Now, what we need to do next is to reverse the changes so that we don't want anyone else on our PC to exploit this security risk, since anyone can go to the PC and press on the Shift key 5 times and then change the password for the local admin. We don't want that to happen. So we need to reverse the change. Again, the command is going to be in the description below. In this case, when you want to change it, it tells us that access is denied, which is normal. In our case right now, it's saying access denied. So what we want to do is to go to the Windows recovery mode again, open up the command prompt, and then type in this same command, and it should work. So we're going to type in the same command. Overwrite yes to all. And then yeah, there we go. One file copy. That means it worked. We don't see any access denied message. So now no one can use this exploit. So whenever we press the Shift key 5 times, the command prompt should not open. We can test it out right now. There we go. No command prompt. Sticky keys open up. Yep. And then we're done. So that's how. So we've changed the local administrator account. password. We can gain access to this account. So next is to now the next problem that we have is that what if we can't access an account that has a Microsoft email attached to it? Now here we have an account that is tied to a Microsoft account, and since I'm a very forgetful person, I forgot the PIN. If you type in the PIN, yeah, I can't get in. And if I say I forgot the PIN, and then and a page opens up where we have to log in using our email password. But what if we forget our email password? And then let's see what happens when you click on reset it now. So it tells us to verify our identity, and then we need to visit this URL from the browser. You should be getting this page right here where you have to enter your email, contact email, and then the characters. And then if you click on next, you should see this page where we enter our first name, last name that is attached to the email or Microsoft account, the birthday that you used when you first create the account, the region that you created the account, the province, and the postal code. Now, since this is a really old account, I'm not even sure how or where this account was created or the birthday of this account. So 9 times out of 10, it might not work for you. You can try, but this might not work for you, and Microsoft is going to email you saying we don't have enough information to reset your password. How would you get? So how would you gain access to this account? What if you have an important file saved on this account? How would you gain access to it? So the steps should be similar to how you reset the password on a local administrator account. So if you already have a admin account like me right now, I can just gain access to my Microsoft account files by just logging into the local administrator account and going to File Explorer and then going to this PC, and going to local disk, and going to users, and then go to the how to with the account first name, I think for the account, Microsoft account name. And you should see all the folders. You should see all the folders that are tied to that Microsoft account. So if you have a file or if you have something saved here, you can, or a video or anything, then you can retrieve it and back it up or put it on this local administrator account if you want. But if you don't have a local administrator account, you can create one using the same steps that we've done, but with different commands. So let's go to the Windows recovery by pressing on the shift, holding the shift key down and pressing restart. The Windows recovery should appear. Click on troubleshoot. And click on advanced options, command prompt. The two commands that you should be using, net user, and then the new admin, you can switch it out with an admin name. It could be anything. To keep it simple, just name it admin. And then for the new password placeholder, just put in any password. And then /add is the same. And then the second command is adding the admin account that you created on the first command to the local administrator group. So it's a net local group administrators, and then new admin is the admin name or administrator name that you created in the first command, and then /add, and then that's it. You've created a local admin account. And then once you're done, you should be able to log into the new local admin account and then retrieve any files from the Microsoft account that is attached to the Windows.